Yung 15. Tama ako. Kasi nawala si Susan eh. Wala rin pala si Susan.
Ayun yung basket mo.
Put back all the numbers.
I like my number.
Put it back. We need to redo it.
I like my number. Can I keep it?
No.
Hindi ka kasali?
I know. So,
Try out.
because I was looking for another one because I'm sure that we had right.
Problema ko
Okay,
pag ako
please.
umalis sa bahay ko, dispose ko lahat ng gamit ko eh. Kaya ko na magdagdag eh. Dati-rati noon, lahat ng pupuntahan kong lugar, bibili akong t-shirt kasi yun ang pinakaano.
Don't open
Eh
it
ngayon,
yet.
Diyos ko, yung bahay ko napupunan na ng t-shirt. Ay, ayoko na, wala na akong lalagyanan. Saan mo pa ilagay? You know? Oh, sa dami na ng t-shirt.
Nagpunta sa bahay mo. Siya doon. Akala niya doon.
Ay, ganun ba dito?
Oh,
Malapit lang. Ano sa dito eh. Ay, yung invitasyon. Kasi kulang, bakit wala sa doon sa MJ? Karaoke. Sa MJ Mahjong. Hindi, Mahjong. Ako na lang, i-redo ko. I-redo ko. Kasama ko si Den, si Liz, yung mga ano, si Lolita. Oo nga, ang gumawa
Okay,
kasi
here's the deal.
Sonia, kaya ano.
Here's the deal. We're going to do 3 times. 3 still. The third one is the final. So take for example that number 1.
Masaya sila. Importante masaya sila. Kaya nga audience, kaya kinukuha ko picture eh.
We'll choose which one he likes, and the number. It's okay. And the number 2, if you are the number 2, you can steal if you want the number 1 gift.
Yan.
But it's only the third is the last. Open it now.
Kusad.
Ah, the same one?
Christine. Happy New Year, right? Happy New Year. You didn't join? No. Neither. I
Okay,
didn't.
number 1. Please go and choose your gift.
Look na KXY.
Okay, 6.
Nick. Oh, okay.
Come on, number 1. Go ahead and take